Hi, I'm Alex from PySpiders Rajajinagar. I'm a Python trainer. This is our student Yugan. He got placed in a company now. He's going to share the experience about PySpiders.
Hi everyone, I have joined PySpiders in the month of February for Python full stack development, where I have trained like Python by Keshav sir and web technology by Govind Raj sir, SQL by Murli sir and Django by Alex sir. And all the trainers helped me a lot. They taught me from basics to advanced level, where it helped me to crack the interview, and all the staffs and train members were supportive throughout my training period. I want to thank all the members of PySpiders. Thank you so much.
Okay. How placement activities were helpful to crack the interview?
Like every day we used to do like presentation of each and every topic of previous class. We have to do presentation and we have to take the screening, so it helped a lot. And even the mock interviews, like 3-4 mock interviews was there, so even it boosts our like confidence, and even some personal feedbacks from the trainers also it was lots.
Okay. I wish you all the best for the career.